Cake is my favorite part.
Hi everybody, it's Chevy with Daily City Rec, and today we're making red velvet cupcakes. For the red velvet cupcakes, what you are going to need is a tray with some cupcake liners, some frosting, a tablespoon of vinegar, half a teaspoon of baking soda, a quarter cup of cacao powder, half a cup of buttermilk, a quarter cup of butter, red food coloring, a cup of sugar, a cup of flour, and 2 eggs. The first thing you want to do is add the 1 cup of sugar, 2 eggs, and butter into a bowl to mix together. And now we're going to add half a cup of buttermilk into the batter. Now we're going to add 1 tablespoon of vinegar into the batter. We're now going to add the cacao powder, the flour, and the baking soda into the wet mix. Now, depending on how red you want your cupcakes, go ahead and add some food coloring. Now that you finished mixing in your food coloring into your batter, it's now time to put them into the muffin tray. Now they're ready to bake in the oven at 350 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes. When you take your cupcakes out of the oven, let them cool first before you add frosting.